Obviously, as an advocate for you, we would love to come out. We'd love to do a free inspection and a free policy review. But most importantly to you, if you're dealing with property repairs, roof leaks, plumbing issues, AC issues, mold issues, cracking in your stucco, your foundation, whatever it may be, any repairs you're considering to your property, the first question becomes, should the insurance company be paying for my repairs? Let us come out. Let us do a free inspection, a free policy review, and most importantly, let us give you some free advice.